Hi everyone, we're back with another reborn video, and this is the Dominic asleep from Bountiful Baby, and I've already started painting him. Obviously you can see I'm not sure if he's gonna be a boy or a girl, but right now I'm just call it a he. I'm gonna bring you guys along while I add some details to him, and I don't know what race he is. Here are his limbs. Look at the cute little feet. So cute. So yeah. And honestly, I had no plan for this baby. Well, I kind of did, but it kind of fell through. So we're just gonna see how it goes. So something I always do whenever I start painting is I take my ring off because it's beautiful and I do not want to ruin it. Also, I am a new artist, so please don't come at me. I don't have the most fancy paint. I have Apple Barrel air dry acrylic paint, and that's what I did this baby with, and he's beautiful in my eyes. So yeah. Also for this baby, I'm going to be trying to do eyebrows and painted hair for the first time. I've only ever done rooted or bald babies. I have somebody in the back. Sorry for that. But yeah, let's get started. So first on his head right here, I'm not sure if you can really see well on the camera. I don't think it appears well, but I tried to do some modeling and it just didn't really come out great. So we're going to try to cover and fix that, but also add like some realistic veins and features to him. Okay, so first we're going to start on the modeling. I like to say it like modeling because I feel like, I don't know, it's like fancy. So what I like to do is start off with the paint. Not too much because you gotta layer it. Oh, ouch. I use this to thin the paint out. I believe that's why we use it. I don't know. Oh. And then I use Parent Choice distilled water, like baby water, to finish thinning it out as much as I need. Now we mix. You don't want this to be too thick or too dark, and you don't want it to do too much. Then we grab our sponge, and I already cut holes in it. A lot of people say to paint it on there, the blue, for the modeling, but I personally don't really like to do that all the time. So I'm gonna just give it a few more stirs. My focus face is so funny. Dip it lightly. And so this is before. Lots of layers. Oh. To me, modeling is the magic. I love a reborn with lots of detail. So I'm sure it's hard to tell on the camera, but it's kind of bringing out like some details that makes it look more realistic. I do it very lightly. for the blue. I wish you guys could see it. It's looking amazing. I really don't know if you guys will be able to see it. Next we're gonna go to the legs, because that's my favorite thing to see modeling on, are the legs. I'm just gonna do this all over, because that's just my preference. And I'll come back when I'm done with the limbs. So I did finish the legs, and I decided to come back after I finished that so I can do the arms. So the arms I don't love modeling on, so I'm just going to do the bare minimum of that on the arms. Now some people do like different things, but this is just what I like. And then I pat it so that any of the extra isn't on there. Now that's all that I'm going to do for the arms. I know this lighting is kind of terrible. And I'm going to do the same for this one. Okay, so now while I'm waiting for those to dry, something else that I'm going to do is the veins. And I'm going to use the same blue wash that I did the modeling with. And you're going to get the tiniest, thinnest little paintbrush for this. I'm just gonna go right there on the head. And you can see it pretty dark right there. But I'm also gonna take that sponge and smooth it out so that it's not super dark, like so. So that it looks more natural. Now he has veins, and we will fix them up as they dry and we go along, and they're not going to be that dark at the finish. Now I'm also just going to make a little details on his eyelids. I'm also going to do this on the ears. Okay, I'm now going to go in and start doing the veins on the legs. And same with the limbs. I don't really love the idea of veins. So I'm just going to do it on the side of the leg, bring it down. I'm definitely going to go over that with some more skin tone to kind of thin it out. Now I do love ankle details. I'm going to do the wrist. Now I'm going to add a little bit of red for the eyelids and some other spots that I think need it. just for extra details. This red does not want to mix. So it did turn out to kind of look like a little bit of a darker blue, but that's okay, because we're just going to use the bare minimum of it to make some little details on the eyelids, just for extra colors. Oh, that did not mix very well. It's okay. Slowly but surely, this baby will have some more natural look to his balls. I also do want this baby to have a birthmark like what I have on my foot. Okay, I'm really loving how this is turning out. I so wish I could show you guys, but it just doesn't show up great on camera. I'm also really thinking about using this red for blushing. You know what? That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do that. I don't think you guys should take my advice in this, but I'm gonna go ahead and do some blushing on him. Blushing is something I love. Sometimes it can be too much. So that is him blushed. So now we're working on his veins, trying to lighten them up. On the limbs, the arms, and the legs, and lighten up the veins, and we'll be back. I'm gonna take a little break. This is the aftermath of that, and this is the baby's farm. Unfortunately, it's getting very late where I live, so I'm gonna be taking a break for the night. Thanks for watching. Bye.